The crushing and sorting machine is a patented product, specially developed for organic waste treatment. It integrates powerful crushing ability with automatic fine sorting to remove inorganic debris, such as plastics, fabrics, and wood blocks. During operation, the system adopts a closed process to prevent odor and leachate leakage, ensuring safe and environmentally friendly waste handling. The treated organic waste is reduced to coarse pulp, less than 15 millimeters in size, making it easier for subsequent processing. This machine greatly improves recycling efficiency by separating inorganic impurities from organic waste, while minimizing the loss of valuable organic matter. Light impurities such as plastics are removed cleanly without carrying organic residue. The equipment is designed with a high degree of automation, strong processing capacity, and flexible configuration. Different particle sizes and discharge devices can be selected according to material conditions and treatment requirements. With patented hammer heads and combined screens, the machine prevents material looping and ensures efficient fine sorting. Its robust structure provides excellent impact resistance, extending service life and ensuring stable long-term operation with a low failure rate. In summary, the crushing and sorting machine offers safe, efficient, and eco-friendly organic waste processing, helping to increase recycling rates and reduce environmental pollution. This innovative crushing and sorting machine creates cleaner waste treatment and a greener future